Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Auxiliary Geometry lesson. Click on Reference Geometry and select Plane. Select a face and enter a distance. Change the Flip Offset option and the number of planes. Click OK to finish. Add a new plane and select 3 non-collinear endpoints. Click OK to finish. Select the plane and resize it. Click on the plane and select Hide from the Context toolbar. Add a new plane. Select a face or plane and a non-coplanar point. Click OK to finish. Click on the new plane in the graphics area and select Hide from the Context toolbar. Add a new plane. Select a linear edge and an endpoint. Click OK to finish. Click on the new plane and select Hide from the Context toolbar. Add a new plane. Select a face and a linear edge. Set the option to Angle and enter a new value. Reverse the plane's direction and click OK to finish. Resize the plane if needed. Select the new plane and hide it. Add a new plane. Select a curved edge and an endpoint. Click OK to finish. Select the new plane and hide it. Add a new plane. Select a surface and a model's vertex. Click OK to finish and hide the plane. Add a new plane. Select 2 parallel faces and click OK. Hide the new plane. Select the Reference Geometry command, click on Axis, select a linear edge and click OK. Click and drag the endpoints to view the axis. Hide the axis to continue. Add a new axis. Select 2 planes from the Feature Manager and click OK. Hide the new axis to continue. Add a new axis. Select two model vertices and click OK. Hide the new axis. Add a new axis. Select a cylindrical face and click OK. Hide the new axis. Add a new axis. Select a flat face and a vertex. Click OK and hide the new axis. Click on the Reference Geometry command and select Coordinate System. Select a model vertex and two perpendicular linear edges. Explore the different options to reverse the axis directions and click OK to finish. Select the coordinate system and hide it to continue. Click on the Reference Geometry command and select Point. Select the Arcs Center option and click on a curved edge. Click OK to finish. In the Hide Show command, click on Points to make reference points visible. Select the new point and hide it. Add a new reference point and select the Center of Face option. Click on a flat face and click OK to finish. Select and hide the new point to continue. Add a new point. Select the Intersection option. Select two intersecting edges and click OK to finish. Select the new point and hide it. Click on the Reference Geometry command and select Center of Mass. Right-click on the Center of Mass in the Feature Manager and select Center of Mass Reference Point. Hide the Center of Mass feature. Click on the Reference Geometry command and select Bounding Box. Select the Custom Plane option, select a model face, and click OK to finish. Locate the mouse pointer over the Bounding Box feature to view its properties. Select the menu File, Properties, select the Configuration Specific tab, and click OK to continue. Expand the Boss Extrude feature indicated, click on the sketch and select Show from the context toolbar. Hide the bounding box and Center of Mass reference point for visibility. expand another feature, and show it's a sketch. Select the sketch in the graphics area and hide them.